Hey YouTube, Tim the Reaper here. Um, as none of you actually probably know, you guys probably don't know this, but I currently am facing difficulty with my Xbox 360. I got it a while ago. Um, I actually got it like near the release day, or near there, but yeah, about I want to say 2 years ago, I got the Red Ring of Death, and Um, you know, my aunt was supposed to bring it in because my mom doesn't drive, so my aunt promised to bring it into Microsoft. You know, never happened. Needless to say, the warranty ran out eventually, and now I'm stuck with a bricked Xbox. Browsing the internet, I found a person who might be of some help to me. Clovis Xbox Repair. Or just Xbox Repair, located at 1470 Keats Avenue, Clovis, California 93611. Phone number 559-765-2470. Uh, it's open Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. If you want to give them a call, try them out. Alright, so what I'm what I'm planning on doing is I'm gonna let this guy fix my Xbox, or, try to fix my Xbox. I have actually no doubt that he's capable. Apparently he's ex-military repairman, if I'm reading the rep. Alright. In the military, he was an electronics technician. So yeah, I'll definitely, apparently, he was a military electronics technician. He repaired all kinds of flight navigation, stabilization equipment, onboard computers, night vision equipment, shit like that. It's all started when his local play and trade screwed up his kid's Xbox. I mean, he got his kid's Xbox, got the Red Ring of Death. The play and trade he bought it from took it, fixed it, and it got it home, set it up, bricked right from the start. Fucked up, right? So here's what so what's gonna go on here is I'm gonna let him try to fix mine. Mine has never been tampered with. It's never been fixed formally by Microsoft. So, and at the bottom of this idea is a little bit of what do you call those? Statistics. Um, Alright, so he's out of 2,000 plus systems. He was only not able to repair 520 because of the YouTube repairmen, YouTube style repairs that were performed by other uh, licensed professionals, and 10 because of non-replaceable chip failure. That sucks. Out of 500 plus DVD drive repairs, only one drive had to be returned for a re-repair, and no drives were unable to be restored to 100% functionality. That's good. So, out of 500 plus DVD drive repairs, none of them um, proved too difficult for him to repair. He restored functionality 100%. Alright, so if we're following his statistics, he sounds pretty good. Um, 19 Xboxes, 10 had to be. He had. Alright, he had 19 Xboxes returned for re-repairs. Out of that 19, 10 returned for 2, 3, or 4 re-repairs under the warranty. Out of the 19 Xboxes, 18 had YouTube repairs previously. So, basically, if you're watching my video, just knock off the bullshit with watching those Xbox repair videos, because I've seen some horror stories myself. And believe it or not, they don't work. They work for a little bit. I mean, when you get down to the nitty gritty about it, if you're using the heat to, I don't know what the fuck you think wrapping your Xbox in a towel and shutting off the fan will do. I don't know what it'll do, but when you think about it, come on. What's your problem, man? What are you doing, really? You're melting the thermal paste. Yeah, it's a great idea. Melting the only thing that's keeping your GPU and CPU from overloading. Yeah, great idea, you fucking retard. So, alright. I should probably stop using that nasty language, but I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I'm going to use this guy's service, and depending on what happens, um, I'll give you a full review of the services. And this has been Tim's tech, not really a review, but just more along the lines of a promise of things to come. I have to get the $20.40 ready, or the $20.80 ready for the box to ship it to California from New Jersey. I love the postal system right now because they just recently they've done this thing. I don't know how recently. It's probably older, but I've never. In all the time I've had to ship a package, I haven't been able to do this, so it's gotta be pretty recent. Um, they have this new system where things get alright, you get basically they give you different size boxes that all ship for the same weight as long for the same amount of money. So basically, if it fits in the box, it'll ship for how much the box is it costs you to get that box. So yeah, that's just what I just want to let you guys know what's going on with that. Thank you for your time, and this has been a Tim's Tech production or preview. All right, I'm out of here.